interrupt your regular broadcast to bring you this important news bulletin.
Who is this?
11.
Without question, because I don't care if you got a $500,000 if that track isn't perfect, I think it doesn't matter. We're using Cody to roller turnouts for people. And now, again, you pay more for it, but you also get forward track. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. Let's put everything out. I've got that at home because I'm going to put a reflector, but it's one of these stores with people track. Give you an idea.
Thank you. Yeah, work.
How goes it, Larry?
Okay.
Famous last words.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to say cross. Oh, well.
enough that I can hold on my driving from 11 o'clock. Okay, around this side.
Yeah, I just lost the phone.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta do it. Okay. My minimum rate is.
Oh well, it was all fine. It's gonna be foggy going back.
Yeah, and cool. Taking a swimming pool, yeah. We put all those together. Cool, cool, cool.
Bring them back down to Jasper, put them together, drop the one locomotive, put the three on it that came up with it, westbound, with 17,000 tons of coal. Now, you got to North Vancouver.
245, or what about the other 10? 100 cars on the coal train.
Yeah, well, it was 45, 45, 90. It was 99. It was 99 usually. Okay, so they take half the train down at a time.
We got
because
to
you got a grade like this, 2.9% downhill for 65 miles. And it's doing this all the time it's coming down. And then the last corner is one of these. Skeena River's right there, 300 feet away.
Oh, that's nice.
So